Today we'll be taking mostly the back routes and the back roads, so they'll be all national speed limit roads, but we'll just be taking it easy like this, 30-40 miles an hour. We're having a run out to near Lancaster, I believe. Go and get a coffee, maybe some lunch. The main thing I'm looking forward to today is finding some of these back roads that I've never been on before. I've lived around here most of my life and I know all the main roads and how to get from A to B, but this is going to be a new experience where we'll get from A to B but using roads, some of which I've never been on before. So I'm quite looking forward to that. I'm just going to follow this group and no doubt we'll have a good crack when we get to our destination for a coffee and maybe a bacon roll. It's a bit of a gloomy day, but the sun is trying to come through, so hopefully it warms up. One thing is, we're not particularly going fast enough to get too much wind chill, but even so it's a bit nippy this morning. Bloody hell, it's bouncy. I don't like making all that noise and commotion through small villages, but it's just so underpowered. You have to get it singing above 6,000 revs or it's not getting up the hills. That's what makes it good fun and a challenge to ride one of these little bikes. Well, it's good to have you along and I hope you enjoy some of this footage. There's not really much for me to talk about, so I'll catch you in a bit. That was hard work setting back off. We stopped on a steep hill, not ideal for a two-stroke with this little power. But we're away again now. I can see shadows on the ground, which means the sun must be poking through. And here we are, we've arrived. All right. We've had a burger and a brew. We're getting ready to go again. First kick again. Well, it's not got much warmer. I'm freezing today. Well, I got 58 miles this time from a full tank to needing to go into the reserve. So I'm not sure how big the reserve is. I don't know where the tube is on the fuel tap. Hopefully it's enough to get me to the next petrol station. Quick fuel stop, a splash and dash, and we're back on our way again. The wee Tiddler run. For me, this is just to get out on a little bike on the back roads. You're not going to be worrying any speed cameras. You're not going to be breaking any speed records. It's just getting out with some other people, having a crack, riding these little back roads on these fun little bikes. Being in the wrong gear and the wrong revs, it's just all part of the fun. I've probably not been over 50 miles an hour all day. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little run out. I've been on the 1979 Suzuki GT125 singing this little heart out. But as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.